Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see travel and tourism management, a mini project with Java and sqlite as the backend. So let us open the database that is in the project folder. We go tms.db. So we have the customer details and then the account details, then hotel booking, package booking, and a master of all the hotels. So you can look at the data here. The hotels themselves. That's about the backend. Let us look at the front end now. Developed in Java using Eclipse IDE. You can use Eclipse or NetBeans. Let us start with the database connectivity. As you can see, JDBC, connection, driver manager, and statement. Open the connection, JDBC SQLite, and we specify the tms.db file, SQLite. And this is called throughout the project from number of screens for various CRUD operations. Let us see one of them. As you can look at this coding here, creating the connection object and then executing the insert statement on the book hotel table. So like this in all these screens, we will be invoking the database operations. The first screen is a splash screen, a sort of welcome screen where you will be either registering or logging in, and that will take you to the dashboard. From there, various operations like looking at all the packages available and booking them, looking at all the hotels available and booking a hotel, and also looking at the destinations and some utilities like payment, calculator, etc. Let us close this database before we access it from our project. So right click on splash.java and then run the program. We should see a welcome screen like that, travel around the world. And after a few seconds, you'll be prompted with the login screen like this. If it's the very first time, you can sign up. Let's say Farhan is the username. So account created successfully. That is done with. Let us close the software and head back to look at the database. So go here, open the database, and you should see Farhan. Okay, so let us go back. Splash screen for a few seconds and then the login. Farhan, password, login. Welcome, Farhan. And the app loads up, give us the dashboard with all the various operations, as I said before, personal details updation, looking at the various packages and booking them, check out the hotels and book them, and destinations, and finally payment and a few utilities. So let us look at the various packages that are available. Gold, silver, and bronze, number of days and nights, and all the perks associated with each of the package. then the various hotels that are available. Here we have a sort of a slideshow, the timer. We display the hotels available one at a time. Again, this is a mini project, so lot of gaps. And finally, the destinations, important tourist places. Okay, so the first thing to do is to add the personal details like this. Okay, so we should see the account created. Awesome. So now we can venture into operations such as booking the package. So Farhan, gold package, number of persons, and you can check the price for one person and then two persons and then book it. Package booked successfully. Time to book a hotel. This is the list of the hotels that are available. We can add more directly into the database. Let us say one person, one day with AC and food included. That costs 77777. And let us make it two persons. And that should be now 24K. That is the code. Okay. One person costs 12,000 and two persons cost 24,000. Similarly, double the number of days and so double the cost 48K. And then if you don't want the AC, then the cost will come down accordingly and no food required. You want to have it outside, then accordingly the costs come down. So finally, you book the hotel. Done. Now, how is all this happening? Let us go to the backend and check the database for the hotels. So 4,000 per day cost, and then food charges are 3,000 and AC charges are 5. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 5, 12,000. Accordingly, for the number of days and for the number of people, we multiply this. And when you go to the coding behind the scenes, when you book this hotel, let us see the calculation that is going on. There you go. Cost per day, food charges, AC charges, how many persons and days. Based on that, we have to just multiply the total cost multiplied by the persons and days accordingly. And if AC option is selected, yes, then we add that one. And food is selected, we add that one too. That is how the calculation happens. So that's it, guys. Thank you.